Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on multiple different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano. Now, we're on the hourly chart right now, and really just showing that the pump that I was talking about in the two previous Cardano videos, we had seen that. We had seen this C wave do its business and do what it has set out to do. So we now have Cardano that has pumped out of this wedge here that it was in, this falling wedge that it was in. And like I've been saying here, that we had seen 5 moves to the downside. And then I had said that probably was the bottom with ADA right there, as it had come down. It had touched this trend line one more time to complete a wave 5 within this falling wedge pattern. But that wasn't just that wave 5 that it completed. I was also saying that was possibly the wave 5, the larger impulse for Cardano, that large impulse that came down from when ADA was at its all-time high back last year in the month of September. So looking at how that had played out, we've come down within 5 waves from that. We've come down to wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this fifth wave here, this fifth wave was just a massive wave that took it down to that price that we were at just recently. And that had been that completion of that wave 5 there is what I'm saying. So, I mean, I'm hoping, I crossed my fingers here that was the case. But we did definitely break out of this falling wedge pattern that we've been in since the month of September. And then we also most likely broke out of that decline that we've been in since September of 2021. So 2 ending patterns there that we were in that had both started in September of different years, and they both ended now. So now hopefully that's the completion of the bear market for Cardano, as that 52-week low that it was at that had completed that fifth wave there that was at a price of 33 cents. And now we've moved a pretty good distance away from that very fast, just over a matter of a few days here. So this is absolutely amazing to see this happening. Absolutely amazing to see that we broke out of this wedge pattern. We've just managed to just to continue going up. A good percentage of Cardano's value now has just been retraced in the matter of a few days, and we're also seeing the entire crypto market also pumping as well. So a lot of big things going on here. A lot of big things to really be paying attention to. And also, if you're someone that has been subscribed to this channel and you've been watching this, I've been saying this stuff. This is what I've been saying. As many people were saying that the price of Cardano is going to go down to, possibly 25 cents here. I was counting these waves. We've been doing this thing here for a while now, and everything's been lining up just right. So now we're hopefully now going to start seeing some more bullish behavior within Cardano now. Now it looks like that bottom was in for it. So as far as where we might be seeing the price of Cardano going here in the short term, looking here on the hourly chart and seeing this price pump that we had earlier in the day, how this had gone from a price of around 36 cents and then quickly went up all the way to 43 cents in a matter of a couple hours. That was a massive move in just such a short period of time. So as we're seeing the price have a bit of a correction right now, that's to be expected. And what I think we're going to be seeing is this correction to continue here for a little bit. And then possibly what we're going to be seeing is a new wave come in, and hopefully that take us up to a price that could be somewhere around possibly where this wave 2 to the downside was, if we were to go back and just look at retracing that. So that's a price of around 48 cents that had gone to. So if we look at the distance here within this wave 5 that we had, and we look at retracing that, then I think that more than likely what we're going to be seeing is this pump up somewhere around that price of 48 cents. So right now, we've come down to around that 50% Fibonacci level from where we were at within that wave 2, and that would make a lot of sense right now, as we had pumped through that, but then we saw that price just coming back down to a level. And from this point, though, I think that maybe we're going to be seeing this next little correction within it possibly going all the way up to 48 cents. I think that that could be a pretty good possibility, especially that we are seeing a lot of crypto pumping right now. And I think that next run, that might be what we're going to possibly be expecting. Now, of course, we could be seeing the price of ADA coming down a bit more. We could be seeing ADA come down to, I'd say, even the price of 38 cents before we see it turn around and actually start pumping up another 10 cents from there. So this is what we could be seeing. So looking how we've gone up here, and this is taking us up to this 43-cent price, and now we're coming down. We're probably going to be coming down right to around here at that a little bit above 38 cents. And then from there, more than likely, that's going to be that next wave that we're going to be into, that wave C, and that will be that retracement. Hopefully, I mean, it goes above the price of 48 cents, but this could be something that could be very likely of what we're going to be seeing it do within these next 3 quick waves. And I would say this would be all something that we would look at in the future after we have a lot more price movements with ADA, as this all being part of our first wave from our next big 5-wave impulse that we're going to be seeing. And that could be something that could play out that way. Now, hopefully we don't see too much of a retracement within the price of ADA before things do turn around. Now, I know a lot of people are taking their profits. That's always a smart thing to do, is to take some profits here and there before accumulating again. And that's where my head is at this moment. So always a good thing for me to make sure I do that. And then from there, hopefully this wave C is something that could be a much larger breakout and go back and retrace a lot more. And from this point, I know it's going to be a journey. Nothing's going to be quick. I mean, it took us a whole year to complete the price of ADA to go down as low as it did. And it took a year to see this large amount of a price movement within it. So from here, hopefully things are going to be more to the upside over this next year. And hopefully we go up in 5 waves and retrace those 5 waves we went down. That would be the best case scenario. But obviously, as you know, that would be something that is going to go well into next year to complete. None of this is quick. This is just the way it is. So anyways, with that being said, I'm going to keep you guys updated on what does happen with Cardano at least every other day. And of course, every day, keep you guys updated on what Bitcoin and Ethereum does. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you guys next cryptocurrency video coming out right after this. Thank you for watching and listening.